So, about the one that I actually told you guys a lot of things, the unboxing of this, same time that my nephew is watching something from my tablet. So I'm shooting this now because I don't know when I could do this. So, this looking package, and I got a new game that I'm going to put in the gaming videos when I get that. It's backlight on, so it's Witcher 2. I got that right last time. So this is going to be one of the newest games that I'm going to do when I get to do the gaming videos I'm gonna do. So this is all putting this on YouTube. So yeah, and the challenge is still on, and link below. There's my MySpace, Twitter, and Instagram, and JJ's Twitter and YouTube channel. So subscribe to him, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, follow me on my MySpace. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, comment if you want to see more walkthroughs of this or what you want to see, and see you guys later.